how to select apps to repeat alerts for notifications on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, scroll down, then tap on notifications. After that, tap on advanced settings. Then in here, we scroll down and tap on repeat notification alert. Tap on the left hand side panel. Make sure it is turned on by tapping on the toggle button at the top to switch it on. Then we go down and tap on apps to repeat alerts. From here, go down the list and select any apps that you would like to use the repeat alert. So for example, if messages are quite important, you can switch it on so that it can repeat your notification alerts. And so you can repeat that process for other apps as well. So if you don't want to have any apps, keep repeating the alerts. You can also switch it off. And that's it. After, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.